So I'm just gonna show everybody first, just like a little tip, how to segment an orange, a lemon, which I use a lot.
Well, same technique, really.
Exactly,
Yeah.
citrus, everything, grapefruit, you can do the same type of thing. The rinds are a little bit thicker on some of the citrus, but same deal.
We actually don't see lemons getting segmented very often.
Yes, and that's the thing, it gives a lot of good flavor, but it's like that bite of freshness. You get the juice, which is one thing, but then you also get the freshness as well from the fresh fruit.
Love that.
So I'm just for total utilization of product, I'm gonna just kind of get some zest off of here first.
Nice.
And as we know, you don't want any of that gross white stuff.
So just that very outer layer.
That's it, exactly.
Oh, and you can already smell the
lemony goodness.
Yeah, so good. It's one of my favorite flavors of all time.
I love it. See, it was
It's my favorite
perfect.
fruit, I like to say.
So we're just gonna get a little bit of that. I don't wanna go too crazy with it because I don't need too much. So we're just gonna take off each end so you can kind of expose the fruit and see it there. And then we're just gonna go off the side of it, and you don't, again, want any of the white. You just kind of want to have the fruit hidden away there in the middle. When you do this, you don't completely get all of the juice out when you get the segments, so we're gonna juice some of that as well.
Cool.
I'm just gonna use my little plate here, and I often do this, especially when you're doing bulk stuff like this. You kind of wanna get all of the juice out as well. So I do it into another bowl, that way it's kind of ready to go.
Yeah, so it collects it all.
So you can see the basic, you know, the lines of the citrus, so that you kind of get, it's like a trace mark, like a coloring book. You just trace along the sides.
Stay within the lines.
Exactly. And then I'm gonna juice a little bit of this as well.